irregular periods, visit this temple. See, what is a normal period? Normal period is the one where you get it right on time, whether it is a 25, 28, 30, 32, any number of days. But the cycle should be regular every month. And then you don't have pain, the period flow will be good. All these are considered to be normal periods. Now, for many ladies, it happens that it is not normal or they have a pain during that time. All this thing is possible. So, there is this particular temple in the north called the Kamakhya temple in Assam. Here, yearly once, here during the annual Ambubachi festival, it is believed that the goddess menstruates for few days. The temple is closed during that time. And anyone who visits this temple during that period, their periods get regularized. Amazing, isn't it? Many ladies who have gone there and come back have reported perfect menstrual cycle, and it coincides with full moon day or no moon day, and that is the perfect cycle.